As you likely already know, different brokers are being removed from Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5. And your broker might be one of those, or it could be in the next one, especially if you are a trader based on the US. In this video, I'll try to answer all your questions. Why some brokers being removed, why some people are using unregulated brokers, and what to do next, including alternative platforms. First question that comes to mind in this situation is why some brokers being removed from Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5. And the reason is that Metacoat, the owner company of Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5, decided to remove or stop giving their services to white label, or in other words, unregulated brokers. Now, a broker is unregulated if it's not registered with the NFA, which is the National Futures Association in the US. Now, another question comes, why some people using unregulated brokers? Simply high leverage up to 500 to 1 or sometime 1,000 to 1, unlike the regulated brokers, which only have up to about 50 to 1. Also, you can trade forex pairs, gold, and indices in the same broker easily at the same time, unlike regulated brokers, and a lot of other reasons, including the payment methods. Now, what do I do if my broker got removed from MT4 or MT5? And I do understand that it's really frustrating situation, but you got to take the decision. So either move to another platform that uses MetaTrader or adapt to the new platform that is offered by your broker. For example, Hankotrade, which I have promoted about in my channel previously, they got their servers removed from Metacoat and they switched to a new platform that has been active in the industry since the early 2000s. And honestly, from the first impression, it looks much cleaner than Metatrader. Let's test the platform and see how smooth it is. So this is my first time testing the new Hankotrade platform, and it's actually called Trader. And first impression, it looks like it looks good. I mean, going between time frames, it's smooth, and they're actually using the trading view charts. So that's a good thing. And we have indicators right here, and they're the same indicators that are available on trading view. And it's also kind of similar to FX replay. So they implemented or integrated the trading view chart. And I want to test it here. So let's say on the 5 minutes, I want to see how smooth it is when it comes to entering trades. So I think price is kind of going lower as of now, maybe going lower. So just entering a small position, so 0.1 lot, market order. So sell here. I mean, we're already in. So commission -2, I mean minus 0.02. And here's the P&L. Now, I want to set a stop loss. How do I do that? So maybe from here, okay, stop loss. And then entering the stop loss here. So what price is this? Above 9305. I want to go here and stop loss. So let's put 9305. And then okay, that's gonna be my stop loss. Go to order. And it doesn't show the stop loss here, but it's actually right here. So that's my stop loss. I wish that it can be shown in the chart. So now we have this open. Now how to close? Simply, I believe, just click on this. We can simply close the trade and we can see the balance here, margin, pre-margin, and the unrealized P&L and the equity. Now just going over, and we can see the spread here actually. So spread in eurusd 0.2, that's a good one. Not much actually. Now let's say I want to go and try commodities here. So for example, gold. Let's try gold, and the spread on gold is not that bad. So I actually can buy and sell from here. Exactly. So let's say market order, I want to buy gold here. So buying gold, and then I'll just go with 0.1 because we're just testing here. Market order, please buy, and we actually bought gold without even taking a look at the chart. So if I click here, then it takes me to the chart, and we have the gold position here. So the gold position is on profit. The eurusd is in loss. So for people who are still sticking with Hankotrade, you just need to adapt with this with the new platform. It's looking good so far. We can see price going up, and we have the profit here. Now let's say I want to exit the trade. What do? I want to see how smooth it is. So let's say I'm exiting the trade here, closing, and then it closed. That's nice. So if I go to the account history, so I have the, okay, 4.1. So we got this one in profit. I'm just waiting on this one. Let's see how it goes. Maybe it's going to hit the stop loss. So all of those trades are just to try to see what's happening here. And so far it looks good, especially with the trading view, because I'm getting used to trading view. I really wanted to trade directly from trading view itself. I didn't have that option before. I needed to use Metatrader. But that's a good option. We just need, as I said, get used to it. Now on the other side, we can see, we can go and look at the news. So it shows all of the news here for forex, indices, commodities. It's loading now. And right here, it also shows you the calendar, all of the events that are happening, the previous and the forecast. And then right here on the alerts, you can also create alerts here, and somehow price is going up, but we close our position. So this would be in huge profit, but it's all good. You can also, I guess, change the theme from here. So this is the dark one. If you wanted to go with the light one, this is the light one. It depends on whatever you prefer. So that's the light theme. I really prefer the dark one. And this is the platform that Hankotrade decided to go with. And first impression, it looks good. I know there are a lot of people who got used to Metatrader, but this is a new platform. If Hankotrade is your favorite broker, then you really need to adapt with this. Now, there are also a lot of things to discover. You can also discover this by yourself. So you see one-click trade. You can actually open any trade without even looking at the chart for multiple pairs. You see eurusd, I can sell and then buy GBP/USD at the same time. There's also the itch button here. I just realized that. So it's actually opening a hedge position. So let's say I want to open a hedge position here. You see? So hedge position. Now I have two positions. So that's one of the things. But I'm going to be closing my hedge, right? And then you see, close it immediately. So it's very smooth, very fast. You guys have your decision. Do whatever you want. And I wish you the best.